watch as I do my very first U-part wig using 3 bundles from Wigchic hair, and my mom ended up helping me put this together on her sewing machine. I know, she's the GOAT. I love this hairstyle, so tune in as I show you how I did it. Hey guys, so I am so excited to bring you guys another hair tutorial. I love doing all things hair. So when I got this hair sent to me by Wigchic, I quickly accepted. They were so nice, super kind, and they were so generous with this packaging. Get into this packaging. Like, they have their own bonnets. Like, literally, that bonnet is so thick, I couldn't hear nothing out of that bonnet. And look at this edge brush. Yeah, very much classy, very much diamond in the dust. No, I'm just kidding. And yes, they sent me a bunch of cards and things that I should know, how to care for the hair, how to go viral, and all those good things. I love a good card. And they have their own wig cap. Like, the brand is on point. Like, the brand is branding, okay? So they sent me 3 bundles of their body wave, 18, 20, and 22. I absolutely love this hair. I still have this hair in. It is gorgeous. There was no shedding. I mean, absolutely none. Fresh out the pack. I've worked with raw Vietnamese, Cambodian, and hair that I know what, virgin hair is. And I don't know if this is like 100% virgin, but it's definitely great quality hair. Virgin, no. Quality, yes. I'll say that. And it's 100% human hair, by the way. Cambodian hair is more on the shinier sheen side, so that's what I noticed about this hair. So I washed my hair, braided my hair, washed the bundles, and dried the bundles overnight, and we're ready to go. As you guys can see, the hair is still very much shiny. After washing and the hair being air dried, I'm ready to go. So I started out doing this by myself. I was struggling. I mean, I've never made a U-part wig in my life, and I don't know why I thought I was just going to fly through this just because I'm multifaceted. I figured I could do anything, and this one was definitely a challenge. I started out doing good. I'm like, okay, cool. And then my mom saw me struggling, and she just took over. She literally got on her sewing machine and went to work. Now, if you don't know, my mom has been a seamstress for nearly, 40 years. So she's a pro. She has over 6 different sewing machines, and this sewing machine was giving her a lot of problems that the hair was basically buckling up on the sewing machine. So she went ahead and bust out a whole nother sewing machine, y'all. Like, that's a flex. So she tried it on my head, and she noticed that the buckling was happening. As you guys can see from that first initial track, is not laying straight across my head, even though I got a little ponytail in the back, but it shouldn't do that. Look at that. That's a mess. So we went and started over. Like I said, she went and got another sewing machine that will help the cap lay flat. And we went ahead on to the next bundle, which was I believe that's the 20-inch bundle. And for it to be our first time ever making a U-part wig, it was a struggle nonetheless, but we got it done. And here is her second sewing machine.
She has not bumping.
Yeah.
Yeah, much better.
Yes, as you guys can see, that sewing machine did it well. As you can see, the track is laying so flat on the wig, which made it 10 times better. So once she started to go, get that first track laid, it was like the rest of them went by fast. What took her an hour would have took me 2 days. Yes, 2 days to complete that wig. And child, she did it in a minute. So I'm so grateful for my mom that she's so talented and was able to help me finish this wig in the nick of time, because child, this was where the challenge came in. Now, not only was it challenging to sew the wig together, but to put that thing on my head, ooh, child, I had to sing about it because the struggle was real.
Single mom who works 2 jobs, who loves the kids and never stops. A gentle hand and a heart of a fighter.
I'm not gonna give up. I'm not gonna stop. I'm gonna work harder. I'm gonna work harder. Let's get it. I know I talked about how much of a struggle I had with doing this hairstyle, but nonetheless, it still turned out beautiful. Like, I love this hairstyle. It's so convenient. Like, the fact that I can take this off, redo my hair, wash my hair in the same day is a miracle. So I always look at that as if, like, my life right now is currently like, I have my days where I struggle, where I'm not the best, but the next day or the minute I give my struggles and my sorrows to the Lord, he always finds a way to show up for me. Like, no matter what, like, I could literally just be like, oh my God, Lord, this is so hard, but I praise you anyways. I give it to you anyways. I love you anyways. And I'm going to keep going on this journey, following you, being obedient. God shows up because he wants us to cast all our cares upon him, because he says it. He cares for us. He loves us. So when you cast your cares and all the things that you worry about and all the things that makes you fearful to the Lord, he will show up and show out on your behalf. I'm living proof of it, because even right now in this, it may not look like what I want my life to look like. However, God is still good. God still shows up for me. He still provides for me each and every single day. I got breath in my lungs. I am in my right mind. I have food to eat every day. I have a clean, cozy bed. I have clean clothes. Those are things that we should be, appreciative of and grateful for, not the things that's causing us to have heartaches and anxiety and fear. Those are the things that we need to give to God and be grateful for the things that we do have, because you don't even know how blessed you are. There are people out here who don't even have that. So give God glory for the things that you do have, because I'm telling you, it'll just change your life. It'll change the whole way you view your circumstances. Okay? So I love you. But anyways, I'm finishing up my hair, because this part was probably the part where I was like, all right, we didn't already sew this down. We struggled with that. How are we going to get our hair to lay down? And honestly, this first go round was tragic. I mean, it was terrible, honey. Like, I tried to use my natural flat irons, which is by Taimu. I got those off the TikTok shop. They sent those to me, and I haven't used them but one time. And it was literally when I did a quick weave and I had leave out. I don't put heat on my hair. I haven't put heat on my hair in years. So when I do put heat on my hair, I'm scared. Like, this hairstyle probably really makes me nervous, because like the fact that I have to flat iron my hair every time was like, okay, are we gonna burn our hair out or what? But the first time I tried it, my hair reverted back to its natural state within like 20 minutes. So the next morning, I ended up switching back to my titanium flat irons, and I ended up using like my my She heat protectant, my Olaplex heat protectant, and then I use a wax stick and some holding spray. And I'm telling you, I haven't flat ironed my hair in like 3 days. No joke. And it has not reverted or nothing. So I don't know. Listen, it's not about what you use. It's the products. It's not about slow down. It's not the method. It's the products that you use, and how you're using them. So maybe it is the method. I don't know. But listen, it works for me, and I'm absolutely loving this hairstyle. I went ahead and curled it. I used my, the Sebastian Shaper spray. And this spray right here, if you ever are a curl girl, that spray is going to make your curls last. Even if you don't curl your hair in a couple days, that spray is so lightweight, but so heavy duty that it keeps the curls in place for days. I love it. And so, yeah, curl my hair up. I tried to do this like voluminous hairstyle, but apparently the way that the wig was sitting on my head, it was too far back to do like the whole, bang type of style that I was going for at first. So I just went ahead and tucked that behind my ear. And honestly, that turned out way better. Like, the tuck behind the ear will always give. As you can see, it was cute. It was very natural, clean, girly. Like, I love it. Thank you so much, Wigchic, for sending me this hair. I absolutely love it. The link will be below for these bundles. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button before you leave. And as I always say, nevertheless, never stress and always bless. Bye.